Please welcome Nosa to the stage.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Justin Hobday. I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all the delegates and exhibitors here today. Welcome to Mining Indaba 2015. I'd also like to extend a very special welcome to our international guests, not only to South Africa, but to Cape Town as well. I hope you enjoy a fantastic week with us here. I'm the Managing Director at NOSA, and we've had a long association with the Mining Indaba, and this year we're extremely proud to be associated as the Safety Awareness Partner for the week. NOSA has been around for about 60 years, and we're a global provider of occupational health, safety, and environmental risk management services. Our client base extends across the globe, but we are particularly skilled at providing our services into Africa in multiple languages, right from Cairo all the way through to Cape Town. Our products and services have a proven track record in all sectors in terms of reducing injuries, and I know that we can be of assistance to many of you in the room here who take the matter of managing risk management, occupational risk management very seriously. I'd just like to bring some housekeeping issues to the fore. For those of you that are going to be here for the week, there's a safety desk at the back of the exhibition hall in aisle 3000. It will be manned at all times by several safety officers who are going to be wearing royal blue shirts. You can approach them at any time if there's any concern or any questions that you have around any safety-related issues. There will also be paramedics on standby, as well as an ambulance. And in such an event, please can you approach either one of the safety officers or the Mining Indaba staff, who will then be able to assist you. There are several emergency assembly points, again, at the back of the exhibition hall in the marshalling yard, as well as outside the North Terrace here, between the Western Hotel and the Conference Centre, just near the SABC OB units. And in the case of an emergency, with the requirement for an evacuation, there will be a siren sounded. And please can I ask all of you to move in an orderly fashion to one of the assembly points so that we can then begin the necessary procedures. On behalf of NOSA, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have a fantastic week with us. If you'd like any more information about NOSA, we're at stand 3806. You can follow the little decals on the wall, on the floor. And to the rest of the speakers and the delegates this week, I hope you have a fantastic week. Thank you very much.
This is the show to be at.
Not only South Africa, but also Africa is benefiting by having this Indaba.
It's a global meeting place for people to descend.
I think this is an excellent forum to connect with people.
Lots of meetings in one go instead of traveling around the globe.
We get a lot of feedback, a lot of leads.
It's very interesting to find all these people together under one roof.
This is where the world connects with African mining. Please welcome Jonathan Moore, Managing Director of the Mining Indaba.
Your Excellencies, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2015 Investing in African Mining Indaba Commodity Review and Outlook Forum. Today's forum will be the first of many critical sessions you will participate in this week. As we begin the Mining Indaba, we do so at a challenging time for our market. The Bloomberg Commodities Index, which tracks 22 raw materials, plunged 17% this past year, its largest annual loss since the financial crisis of 2008. To a large degree, this past year has been one of a divergent U.S. economy and a very strong U.S. dollar against sluggish growth in China, a lagging European economy, and an economic scenario which has not gained significant traction. We begin 2015 with many questions, and today our experts will provide commentary and analysis on Africa's most important resources, including gold, iron ore, platinum, copper, diamonds, and minor metals. We're proud to present our first ever Commodities and Exploration Trends panel, which features global commodities research heads sharing diverse and unique perspectives. And we also welcome back a good friend in one of our highest rated keynotes, Dr. Dambisa Moyo, who will speak to global shifts in politics, economics, and business, and what it's going to take to be successful in our future world. This exceptional lineup of speakers is a staple of the Commodities Review and Outlook Forum and of the Mining Indaba, and it will set the tone for a week of discovery and deal-making at this year's event. Before we commence, I would like to thank our mining executives, investors, speakers, ministerial representatives, members of the press, media partners, and our sponsors and exhibitors for their continued support in making the Mining Indaba the world's premier mining investment event. At this time, it is my honor to welcome the Executive Mayor of Cape Town, Madame Patricia de Lille. Mayor de Lille has been in politics for 35 years, having served the National Council of Trade Unions and the Chemical Workers Union. In 1994, she became a member of Parliament, and in 2003, she forged the Independent Democrats Party. After the Independent Democrats merged with the Democratic Alliance, she was Western Cape Minister for Social Development and then became Executive Mayor in 2011. She has honored us with a welcome each of the last 2 years, and we are delighted to bring her back to our stage. Please join me in welcoming Mayor de Lille.